Melissa with LABOTANICA Plant Magic. We bring to you Costa Rican-inspired beauty formulas designed to nourish the skin and balance the mind. We're here to fall in love with the skin we live in and honor the cycles of life as we age beautifully, gracefully, and celebrate this beautiful body. I want to invite you to join this plant magic journey and unveil your unfiltered beauty. Today we're going to talk about Be Magic. Let's be powered by the magic of this cream, which is such a powerful blend of organic beeswax, oils, and botanicals that come together to form this beautiful and decadent, protecting, healing layer on top of our skin. Use whenever your body may be in need of extra love, care, and protection. How do we use it? We use it all day, every day. With clean hands or a Q-tip, we're gonna dip on the potion and we're gonna apply as needed for healing, mending, repair, and extreme hydration. Never double dip. Energetically, this potion allows us to be one with the powers of protection and vibrational energy of the creation and sweetness of the bees. Beeswax, our superhero ingredient, creates an occlusive layer on the skin. What does this mean? This means that it acts as a moisture locking barrier for the elements. This superpower allows the skin to stay hydrated for longer periods of time, so it's a hydration shield. Sweet almond oil. It's known to have benefits that allow the skin to have less scarring, reduce imperfections, balance the skin complexion. It contains squalene and oleic acid. Both of them are great screen moisturizers and they boost elasticity. My favorite, calendula flowers. These beautiful bright yellow and orange flowers are ruled by the sun and they're known to soothe and calm the skin. These beauties are powerful. They're known to regenerate skin cells, calm irritation, and help with inflammation. Plus, they are full of antioxidants. Some insider tips: use as an ultra moisturizing lip balm. Great to alleviate minor burns and bug bites. And I use it PM on my face, on top of my alchemic face elixir, all over a really thin veil to seal in all my moisture, and also on my chest as I sleep for all those lines that tend to happen when we wake up. This potion is very delicate, it's very powerful, and it is a limited edition that comes whenever we produce it and then goes away for a while. It is Be Magic. You must try it. I invite you to try it and be one with this incredibly healing and decadent plant magic made all from Earth's most beautiful resources. Pura Vida, and I can't wait to hear about it. Hola, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. We're in this plant magic journey to reveal our unfiltered beauty and trust the journey. Can't wait to see you again. Message us if you have any questions. Pura Vida.